Welcome back to another episode of Growing with Lalascrops. So today, you guys, is another harvesting day video. You see it. You see it. So I'm just being a little extra, you guys, because I'm just excited overall to be harvesting the amount of cucumbers that I have during the season. So yeah, you guys, it's a beautiful thing. So you guys already know how the cucumber plant is doing. I'm not going to show you the cucumber plant in detail, but yeah, I'm just go ahead and harvest this cucumber. For any new beginners, it's just best to like just twist it off like that and it comes right off. This is a nice cucumber right here, very nice. I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to share it with someone since they like cucumbers. Somehow my audio went out, you guys, but right here I'm harvesting the yellow cherry tomatoes. And you guys, I almost forgot that I was growing this variety because in my mind I was like, oh well, I have to wait till these turn red. I was like, oh, Toya, like you're growing yellow cherry varieties, so that's why they were still yellow. So I'm excited to try this variety out. I've never tried the yellow cherries before, so we'll see how they taste. Okay, so moving on to the Roma grape tomatoes. So I have been keeping an eye out on these tomatoes, see when I could harvest them, and I think they're ready, you guys. I like to squeeze the tomatoes to see if they're soft or hard, but this tomato had a nice feel to it. It's nice and red, not too soft, not too hard. I don't like too soft of a tomato. I just don't. These are still trying to turn red. I harvested this one also. Oh yeah, I forgot to harvest that one too up there. Squeezed it. It was good enough to harvest. So I'm also adding the cucumber that I harvested to the basket. You guys, look at me in my little basket. I felt like I was at a grocery store or at least a farmer's market. I loved having that moment, just harvesting my own vegetables. But the red beefsteaks, they are still doing their thing as far as developing. They have not started to turn red yet. So I was debating if I wanted to harvest some of the herbs, and I was like, why not? They are getting kind of bushy, so yeah, it's about that time to prune some of these leaves off. So I started off with the mint and harvested a nice amount of leaves, and then I also harvested some lemon balm. And these are all great herbs to make your own herbal tea, and I may do a video. So now I'm looking for a good stem to harvest the spearmint. I decided to just harvest this one at the bottom down here. I love the way spearmint smells, and some people even eat the leaves raw. I've tried it, so it tastes pretty good, to be honest. So I forgot to mention to you guys that one of my goals was to actually be able to harvest all of the ingredients that I needed for a side salad all at once. So keep on watching to see if I actually meet that goal today. Okay, so I like to do the cut and come back again harvesting method, and that's basically just harvesting the older outer leaves on any of your leafy vegetables. So I like to do that with my lettuce instead of trying to harvest the whole lettuce head. So I decided to harvest a couple leaves from these two plants on the right hand side, because the other plants are still trying to get a little taller. So now I do eventually need to find something to put around the base of the plants so that the leaves won't just sit on the soil. I don't know if I want to get hay, or I don't know yet, because the mulch was just a no for me. Well, the size of mulch that I had last time was just a no for me. So I'm still trying to figure out something that I want to put around the base of my lettuce, tomatoes, and so forth. So, okay, so now I'm going to harvest from the second plant. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't cut the wrong stem. But yeah, I'm just harvesting the bottom leaves so that the top can still develop. Some more lettuce for us. I decided to come back and harvest that too, because I kind of have OCD. So I like the plants to look, you know, proportioned. So yeah. But regardless, these leaves were just sitting on top of the soil. So I was like, let me just go ahead and harvest these at the bottom. So all right, so I'm done harvesting my lettuce. So last but not least is the carrots. All right, you guys, the moment of truth. Now I'm not looking for a 9-inch carrot at this stage, but let's see. I thought it would be a little longer than this, but it's going to have to do. Just bounce off the dirt a little bit before I put it into the basket. All right, you guys, so I'm going to show you real quick how everything looked. So yeah, I have the Roma grape tomatoes right here. And then these are the yellow cherry tomatoes right here. These look nice. I've never tried these, so I'm excited to try this. And then at the bottom, I just have like the butter crunch, because I'm gonna make a happy face for pictures. And then I have to the left side, I have more butter crunch lettuce. The middle, I have my baby carrot, you guys. It was not ready, but you know, it's okay. I'm gonna scrape this off and still put it and enjoy it into my small side salad. And then of course, you guys know that I harvested this lovely cucumber, nice and green. It's gonna be a good one. And on the right hand side, I have my herbs, which is the lemon balm, spearmint, and mint. So I think that this is a great harvest for today. I thought I was in the grocery store, just getting me some like little small little things that I probably forgot. But I enjoyed harvesting all of these vegetables. So, and you guys can do the same. I may do like a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions for me, drop them down in the comments below, and I will be happy to make a video for that. To any new followers, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified for any new videos. For all of my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for always supporting, and I will see you guys in my next video.